Hi guys, let's unbox our Diwali kit. That is the salmon pink color on the lotus. We are going to cover it entirely, making sure that there is no brown base seed. A bit of darker pink color on the other side of the palette. So once we are done with the base, I am taking a smaller brush to give the outlining so that it is seen properly. Take good amount of color and just let it flow. Repeating the same process on the other petal. Now the reason it is mixing is I did a wet on wet technique, which means when your first layer is wet, you have to immediately put the second layer, which is the dark pink color. Applying the lighter green color on the leaf first. Color all the leaves first and then we will shade it with a darker green color. Now with the thin brush, I am going to give lines to the leaf with a darker green color. Remember, you have to immediately apply the darker green color when the color is wet. We are going to stick the two bases with each other. So apply Fevicol. And then you have to stick this portion against it. Now we are going to fix this inside this. Slide it inside from behind. And that's how it will look.